Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a working WinPE or recovery USB and ensuring you have admin rights. This gives you tools to repair the recovery environment. Use Media Creation Tool or mount an existing WinPE ISO. Once mounted, create a bootable USB with Rufus or DISM. Make WinPE media so the files are writable. Make sure to copy winner. Wim if present, and note the target drive letter for Windows. This sets up the environment you'll use to rebuild or point Windows to a valid recovery image. You now re-register Windows recovery environment using the command line tools so Windows can find it. Boot into WinPE, open an elevated command prompt, then run reagent/info to check current status. If disabled or mispointed, run reagent/disable, then locate or copy winner. Wim to /system32/recovery. Run reagent/setrimage/pathc /Windows/system32/recovery, and finally you finish by verifying the repair and testing recovery access so you confirm success. Reboot into Windows or use the boot key to load WinRe. Run reagent/info to make sure it shows enabled and a valid path. Once done, try Advanced Startup from Settings to open WinRe tools. If it still fails, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix system corruption, then reapply the reagent steps. One troubleshooting tip: check partition ID and ensure the recovery partition is not hidden or overwritten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.